Becoming part of SOLAS, the ISM code was created to avoid such tragic losses of life by making sure that the correct written procedures are made available to the crew and then followed. It also ensures there is clear accountability for the decisions that affect safety and pollution, all the way up to the highest level of a company. After successful completion of this module, you will understand why the ISM code is needed, identify its main objectives, and recognize that it seeks to improve management systems in order to reduce accidents caused by human error, and identify the reporting requirements within a safety management system. You will also recognize the types of work that require a permit, as well as the reports, audits and reviews that are required to ensure ship safety and pollution avoidance. Although the ISM code is part of SOLAS, the main body of SOLAS is concerned with how ships are built and equipped, while MARPOL gives the regulations on pollution avoidance. In essence, all shipping companies are faced with the same task: to minimize the scope of poor decisions that can either directly or indirectly contribute to casualties or pollution incidents, including the decisions taken ashore as well as those on board ship. The International Ship Management Code for the Safe Operation of Ships and for Pollution Prevention, often shortened to the ISM code, was developed so that all staff are properly equipped to fulfill their operational responsibilities as safely as possible, ensuring that every action is based on a full understanding of the consequences. It establishes an international standard for the safe management and operation of ships by setting out rules for the organization of company management and the implementation of a safety management system, SMS. The goal of the SMS is to establish standardized company procedures by specifying a commitment to safety and environmental protection, by providing a reporting and tracking system for undesirable incidents, and by establishing routines to prevent the reoccurrence of undesirable incidents. The functional requirements for a safety management system include a safety and environmental protection policy, and instructions, procedures and checklists that ensure the safe operation of a ship and the protection of the environment in compliance with relevant international, national and port state regulations. It also defines the levels of authority and lines of communication between and among shore and shipboard personnel. Further requirements include procedures for reporting accidents and non-conformities within the provisions of the code, procedures to prepare for and respond to emergency situations, and procedures for internal audits and management reviews. All companies should have a safety and environmental policy that describes the aims regarding policies and procedures, and there should always be enough training and education to achieve high standards of safety and environmental protection. Lastly, it's essential that the safety management system is continually reviewed to ensure it is realistic and suitable enough to meet the crew and vessel objectives. The SMS consists of a documentation structure that contains the main book, the ship book, and the vessel response plan. The main book includes policies and procedures applicable to the whole organization. The ship book includes procedures, routines, and checklists referring to onboard operations. It can be divided into the general part, the bridge order book, the cargo or deck order book, and the engine order book. The vessel response plan includes procedures and checklists of relevant actions in case of emergencies, such as grounding, touching bottom, collision, fire and explosion, hull failure, excessive list, and equipment failure. The SMS is a dynamic system that is under constant development It needs to be updated to make changes to practical operations or to correct instructions or procedures found to be in error. It may also require updating when there is a need for modifications or rebuilding to be carried out.